All of these foods here that I just purchased, had delivered, whiten your blood vessels naturally without taking medication, which is what I was offered today. A blood pressure medication to lower your blood pressure, to open up the capillaries and veins in my fingers and toes, because I have Raynauds Syndrome. I opted not to accept the prescription. Instead, I went online and I found something that I could eat, natural foods, to naturally open up my blood vessels. I'm already having chest pains and heart palpitations. I don't need to be on anybody's blood pressure medication. Once they get you on it, it's hard to get off. No, thank you.